Oh, you look so pretty. You're so cute.
I'm pink.
You're pink?
I'm pink.
Yes, you are. Little pinky girl.
I'm a little pinky girl and an orange girl.
You're a little pinky girl and an orange girl?
Yes.
Very nice. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Simone here, and this is Stay Golden Mama TV. I have my special guest here as she has just woken up from her nap. If you guys can't tell already, I always film these videos while she's taking a nap, so, well, almost always. So she sometimes will sneak into these videos every now and then. So yeah, thank you guys so much for being here. I'm so excited about this week's theme. I hope you guys enjoyed last week's hair theme. If not, then let me know if there's anything I can improve. But this week's theme is spring, because it is the first full week of spring.
It's spring outside.
It's spring outside!
I love it.
I love it too.
I love it.
Okay, so we both love spring. We're super happy because over here in the Pacific Northwest, it has really just started to become warm and super nice. So I sat out on the deck. Oh my god, it was so nice while she napped. Whew, let me just tell you, it was amazing. So I wanted to bring some simple, easy ways for you to get your life together this spring, because I don't know about you, but like winter does a number on me, and I'm always trying to, I'm always trying to get back into the groove after like a long cold winter. I wanted to tell you some easy ways to get your life together this spring. So number one is to assess your spring wardrobe that you already own, see what you can wear, see what you can't wear anymore, and to see what exactly you need for spring this year. Like maybe you need like 3 trendy shirts, maybe you need a few more dresses, maybe you need some pants, maybe you need some skirts. But go ahead and take a look at what you have in your closet, write down some inspiration of things that you want to wear and looks that you want to have, and then get to work. Start writing out exactly what you need, and then start looking online for things, and start looking at Goodwill right now, because right now they have a ton of spring stuff that people haven't bought yet. So my number 2 tip for getting your life together is give yourself a pastel manicure. I really feel like if you have a pastel what are you doing? Oh, you're putting some blush on?
Okay.
I think a pastel manicure is so springy and so fun, and if you just sit down and paint your nails, it makes everything better. And it's just like a great way of feeling like your life is together by painting your nails. And let me just show you my nails, because my life is not together and I don't have my nails done. But I think painting your nails is an awesome way to just kind of like get excited about spring, bring in some new color, and have fun. Another great way of getting your life together is chapstick. That's right. It's for Dia. Is to give your hair a trim this spring. So you can either do it yourself with some, some salon scissors that you get, or don't use regular scissors. Or you can go to the salon and get a trim. Maybe get a shape up, get a fresh cut, and that will kind of, bring you into spring in a very cute way. Another way to bring in spring and to just get in the spirit is to start decluttering and getting rid of stuff. So throw out all of your expired or old makeup, or anything that's kind of clumping up or crusty, anything that you just feel like you don't wear. Just get rid of all of it, throw it in the trash, and organize the stuff you have in a way that makes sense. I have an awesome organizer.
I don't like my donuts in this box.
I got this awesome organizer over here, and I'll link it below, but it's just a multi-tier organizer. Anyways, I will insert a picture of it because I can't get to it right now. And it's a great organizer for all the makeup or skincare or hair products that you have. So yeah, organize what you have and just use what you have, and try not to buy things even though it's spring and it's so easy to buy stuff. But just try to see if you can organize what you have, put it in a way that it makes sense to you and you feel like it's clean and it's nice. Oh, thank you. A little touch up for mommy?
Yes.
Thank you, baby. So my next tip is to declutter your bathroom. The bathroom is a problem area for many ladies like myself who are junior hoarders and hold on to like everything because you feel like you're gonna need it. So just like your makeup, this is a great time to declutter anything that doesn't work anymore, or you don't use, or you just tried it once and you missed that return window. Put those good things aside. Nice to meet you. Put all non-makeup related things aside. Maybe you have a friend you can do a trade with, or yes, or you can just get rid of stuff. You can donate it, but get rid of anything that you don't use and clean out do a deep clean of your bathroom, because there's no one, I mean, anyone who deep cleans their bathroom is super excited afterwards. I don't do it because we have a house cleaning service, which I highly recommend. But
Daddy cleaned the house.
Daddy cleaned the house. No, he didn't. But Daddy's on a trip, remember?
Daddy's going to clean outside.
Daddy cleans outside. Daddy does do a really good job cleaning outside. So yeah, just declutter your whole bathroom, give it a deep clean, make it sparkle, and it's an amazing way to just start off the season. The next thing I have, these things are ways to get your life together that don't have to do with makeup or hair or fashion, but one of the things I like to do every spring is make a summer bucket list, so then I can start...
Bum bum.
Yes, bump bump. So it makes me excited about summer, excited about spring, and ready to just like get motivated to, you know, be healthy and to get outside and to connect with friends. So make that bucket list. See if there's any fun things, like look around the city for free things as well, because we don't want to blow all of our money, but yeah, look around for free things and just get started thinking about summer and how excited it is. How excited you are for it. I can't speak today, you guys. So my last way to get your life together is very easy, but go outside when it's sunny and get some vitamin D. Even if it's still 40 degrees outside, go take a brisk walk, go and play a sport, like take a hike, do something, ride a bike, go for a run, and just get outside and feel that fresh spring air, because sooner than you know it, winter will be back again and we'll be sad. So go outside and get some vitamin D, hang out with your family, and yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed all of those tips. They're kind of random, they're kind of all over the place, but you know, they're great ways to get your life together. Bonus tip is to clean your email inbox. I've mentioned that before, but it's definitely a great way to just get your life together and clean out all of your email boxes. I go through like my work one first, then my personal one, then my business one, and I love doing that. It makes me so happy, and it makes me feel like I'm like, yes, I'm brand new.
I'm happy.
You're happy. Me too.
Mommy's happy.
Thank you. I am happy.
Mommy's happy for me.
Yeah.
What is that?
And I don't really have any life updates for you guys this week. Just working on editing some content and trying to launch another business, which is interesting, but I'll have more details about that later once I'm all launched and stuff. But you know, obviously follow me on Instagram if you want to hear more about that, and DM me or reach out to me via email if you want to know what it is, but I'm not going to talk about it quite yet. Yeah, so that's kind of the only big life update, just working on getting out some content to you guys, so I'm excited to be a little bit more consistent. So that brings us to the quote of the week. The quote of the week is one that I really like this week. It is, "Spring is nature's way of saying, let's party." And that is by the late and great Robin Williams. We love him. And I love this quote because I think it's totally reminds me of spring, because every time I see spring around the corner, I'm like, okay, let's do this. Like, summer's just right about to be here. We're gonna go to rooftop decks, we're gonna party, we're gonna go outside, we're gonna go to the park. I'm gonna get my rollerblades on. Yes, I have rollerblades. No, I'm not ashamed. So yeah, those are my tips on how to have a great spring and get your life together and just have a good time. So if you guys have any tips on how to get your life together this spring, please let me know and drop them in the comments. All right, you guys, I will see you guys next time. Bye. And yeah, baby.
Baby Lisa. Take a bath, Mama.
Take what?
Take a bath. It's spring right in there.
It's spring, yeah.
It's spring for outside. About outside.
Yeah, we're not gonna put your donut in the trash.
I want to save it for later.
You will save your donut for later. She got a donut today and she wants it, so we'll have that later. I put all of my
TV.
Well, we're gonna go to the mall and then you can play at the mall for a little bit. Do you want to do that?
Yes.
Okay. Well, let me just finish this video and then we can go, okay?
I want to play 2 few minutes.
Yeah.
First.
Yes, we can play for a few minutes. Do you want to get down and play for a second?